If you're out there looking at me, I am here. You know, I am always bringing the best properties, the best listings right here in Lagos. So today I am here in Lekki Avana Signature. You know, last year we launched Lekki Avana Phase 2 and a lot of you called me. You patronized, you bought units in Lekki Avana Phase 2. This is 2026. We are yet, this property just came into market. It is still selling on pre-launched price. So we have lands here, various land sizes right here in Lekki Avana Signature and Resort. Guess what? This is beyond what you have seen so far. You know how we do it. Seeing is believing. We have showed you that we are capable. We have promised you and we have over-delivered from Lekki Avana Phase 1 to Lekki Avana Phase 2, and now we are in Lekki Avana Signature and Resort. So this is an example that we are progressing. And if you are out there, you have not bought, you are still there watching, people are going to be buying in number. They've been doing that. That is why you should key in into this beautiful project you are looking at. We are yet to launch this property. I hurriedly came here so that I can bring it just in front of you. Now look at it today. We have various land sizes right here, ranging from 300 square meter down to 1,000 square meters. Now, what do you have to do? All you need to do is to make 1 million naira initial deposit. Now I'm asking you, what is 1 million naira doing in your account? Is it more than the amount you bought your phone? If you have 1 million naira right down there, all you need to do is to call me. Please call me and be a partaker in this beautiful property you are seeing here. So 300 square meter is right here selling for 16.2 million naira. And we have 500 square meter for 27 million naira. And also we have 1,000 square meter going for 65 million naira. I hope you're there, and I hope my voice is as loud as you can hear. Please, you need to hurry up today and be a partaker. Remember, people are buying in numbers. All you need to do is to start, because by the time we launch this property, I can bet you will not even be able to buy it at the price it is today. So this property is right here in Ibeju Lekki, where we have the Lekki Avana Phase 2. Remember, last year I made a series of videos showing you Lekki Avana Bungalows Phase 2. Right? If I show you the update, although I will still bring the update of Lekki Avana Phase 2 to you. Now, we are almost 80% complete. Lekki Avana Phase 2 is almost 80% completed. And we have this new project right here in Ibeju Lekki, where we have Alaro City. We have numerous estates right in this vicinity. Also, the road is still under construction. Remember the road, we did the road last year, but because of numerous construction happening within this environment, that is why we are still having the construction still under ongoing, right? So please, all you need to do right now, if you're in the diaspora, if you're Nigerian, living in Nigeria, what are you still waiting for? Time is going. This is July 2026. If you are still there waiting, and also if you're in the diaspora, you need to invest and you will not regret it. So I know you have seen me. I'm always there on your screen every week. I always make sure I bring you the latest listings and properties right here in Lagos. You have seen me. I have told you. I have preached the good news of real estate and the best listings. Please call my number today. You know my name. My name is Amrai, your #1 real estate consultant in Nigeria. Please also remember to like, share, and subscribe on my page. And watch this video to the end. So until you see me on your screen again. Bye-bye.